and I'm home. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So let me introduce myself first. I'm Mary Mariel, or you can call me Maye. I'm a 34 years old single mom to a 6-year-old boy. And for the past 4 years, kaming dalawa lang ng anak ko na ang magkasama talaga dito sa small studio apartment na meron ako dito sa Boracay. So this isn't actually my first time on YouTube. Before, I had a motherhood channel and then another channel where I used to share some song covers, creating contents and editing videos and stuff like that was really what made me happy before. But along the way, I stopped doing what I love because I became focused on working in our family business and being a mom to my child. So I've been working there for almost 10 years. And honestly, somewhere in those years, I slowly felt so lost. So I started feeling stuck and I felt like I wasn't growing anymore. And no matter how much effort I put in, I still felt like I wasn't good enough. Yung binuhos ko na lahat ng effort ko, even though I'm a mom already. Pero parang feeling ko talaga, hindi talaga yun yung forte ko. Na tipong hindi yun nagpapasaya sa akin. Like lahat ng mga nag-excite, the things that used to excite me before slowly disappeared. And nawala yung pagiging creative ko and yung confident version of myself. Over time, my anxiety became worse and worse. Like there were days where I constantly overthink everything. Mula deadlines, mula production, like tungkol sa work ko, hanggang sa naapektuhan na yung katawan ko. Like whenever I get stressed out, nag-bleeding ako ng malala. So, I got scared and because of that, naglagi na lang din akong, almost everyday ako nagkaka-anxiety. Hindi ako makatulog. Kahit ano pang inumin kong sleeping capsule, ganun. And then, yung depression ko started showing. Like, lagi na lang akong umiiyak. Like, wala talaga ako sa sarili ko. Yung motivation ko nawala na din, as in sobrang depressed ko talaga, hindi ako masaya kahit naman okay yung nangyayari sa buhay ko, hindi pa rin ako nagiging masaya. Nawala talaga yung yung pagiging creative ko kasi parang hindi ako yun, yung ganun, parang nasa survival mode na lang ako lagi. Kaya that's one of the reasons why I decided to come back to vlogging. I'm not coming back because everything is okay. Malungkot pa rin ako, pero I'm coming back because I want to find myself again. I want to reconnect with the things that made me happy and gave me purpose. This is something that I've always loved doing, and maybe through this journey, I'll be able to heal, grow, and become myself again. I don't know exactly where this path will lead me, but I'm hopeful that one day I'll look back in this video and be proud that I chose to start again. So thank you for being here and welcome to Island Mama Diary.